Brent Willis, and I am the Chief Operating Officer for ProHawk AI. ProHawk is a newer company. We're not a startup, we're really a ramp-up because we have finished all of our initial software engineering, software development, and we are the only company in the world that restores video real-time, pixel by pixel basis, and we overcome any and all obstacles, from rain to snow to sleet to light, you name it, and we do it better and different than anybody on the planet. Now, I like to think of the company as like Adobe Photoshop. The only difference is they're 13 billion. We're not quite, but they're 2D post-processing of still images. We are 3D real-time processing and deployable at the edge, at the client level, at the server level, or the cloud level, and we're no-code plug and play. Now, the new catalyst for the company is we've just signed global preferred partnerships, of which there's only about 15, with Dell, and they're pretty legitimate, so that's a decent endorsement, and NVIDIA, and they're pretty legitimate also, so that's also a great endorsement. And what we need to do is just really ride and support what those guys are doing worldwide as we bring this really transformative new technology to this impending $135 billion AI-enabled computer vision segment. So ProHawk AI, what do? This is an example of what we do. We take distorted video that is hindered by light or whatever the issue is, and we bring all sorts of vascular detail, in this case on medical applications, light detail, crystal clear imagery detail, and in that case, on the medical side, for better outcomes and reduced patient risk. So what you see here is an integration with NVIDIA's HoloHub or HoloScan to bring endoscopic applications or robotic surgical applications to real life, to see more than they've ever been able to see before, to improve surgical outcomes and reduce patient risks. Think about safety and security. Think about law enforcement. Think about military applications for drones or satellites or whatever it is. The applications and use cases are really unfettered, unobstructed, and unbelievable in our view. So for more information about ProHawk, please contact us at www.prohawk.ai. I'm Brent Willis. You can reach me anytime, 24/7, 303-817-3443. The great thing about the company is it really is transformative technology. It really is ready now and implementable now. The bad thing is it's new and essentially unfunded, so anybody that can help us drive it or anybody that wants to partner with us, we're really open for business.